Depression is the biggest problem today. In today's life, everyone is facing this depression. Today we are only going to know about the disease. Today we will understand what caused depression and anxiety problem and how we can control it. We will understand if there is a physical reason behind depression, because of which we do not feel well psychologically. Like we can understand it with an example. When we are very sick, our mind does not talk to anyone, does not eat food, we do not like anything, then we feel that we have a psychological problem. If we see a cure for this disease, then we do it ourselves, but we do not understand it, because it is in our own hands to control the psychological problem. Because we can control those negative thoughts on our own. If you let negative thoughts dominate you, then understand that you have psychological problems like depression and anxiety, stress, agoraphobia, panic attacks and anxiety, social anxiety, fear you may have to face. If you go to a doctor, he will not pay much attention to the psychologist. He will give you the medicine given on your physical level. Correctly, you have to work on your own at the psychological level. Unless you are within yourself that I have to change my thinking from myself, then how to control myself on a psychological level? Who is in control? These controls are completely in your hands. The one who thought I had to move on. In life, he comes out of depression. If he gets completely depressed from his life, a moment comes, then he decided then I have to fix my life. Then he changes everything, given a moment. It is called psychological. Even at that time, the chemical process in our body will be better if it supports us. These are the medicine the doctors give us. What happened to them? He handles the mess that is happened on the physical level inside. He also cares for a reason, not reason. Today we talk on reason at the physical level. Certain types of chemicals must be generated in the brain, such as serotonin and dopamine, that are not released. Then you feel bad for no reason. With this, the opposite thoughts are coming straight to mind and they form a cycle again. Like if our mood is bad, then we like to listen to sad songs. Listen to sad songs, our mood gets spoiled. And if the mood is very good, so we like to listen to songs of happiness, which makes us happy and happy. So our recircles runs like this. Now you understand how it affects each other on a psychological and physical level. If we can understand these two and we will do good work on both these levels, then we will be able to solve this problem well. You have to understand it carefully. What is the problem physically? Some chemical must be released in our brain. They are not released, due to which we feel the bug. And some chemicals should not be released, such as a cortisol. These are stress hormones, so medicine work in a way that inhibits chemical release and should not be released. We get a nice feel when he starts getting released. Is this a proven solution? There are two ways of treating the disease. One is that we can cure the symptoms of the disease. The root of the disease is to be cured. As if someone is constipated, they will not understand something relative to the brain. Ayurveda says that the root of every disease is our stomach, because whatever energy our body and brain needs, it will get a source of energy from our liver. Our liver works by converting what we eat into energy. If our stomach is not working properly, then how will our brain work properly? The doctor gives anti-sedative drugs to the physical patient, which calms the mind. The medicines makes the patient sleep. The doctor gives you this medicine so that you do not overthink, because overthinking everything changes under stress. Our body starts shrinking, therefore medicine relaxes our body's contract. If you take more anti-sedative drugs, then it is a condition. If you do not sleep with that high dose, then you will read the increased dose. We have to understand that medicine can only do what relieves your body from stress or gets the brain out of stress. On the other side, it may excite you. Both stages are dangerous if not natural. We have to understand that just overthinking is a problem or not a problem. Because whatever work you have to do, you have to think about what you think these men are playing. Then at that level their thinking is going on. Thinking fast or thinking too slowly. They think very fast. Thinking speed is not a problem. Thinking is not a problem. If there is a conflict in that thinking, then there is a no clarity in that thinking. If there is a clarity, think as much as you want. There is no problem. The clarity in thinking, we do not contract as much as we ever expand. Never understand that thinking is the problem. Because of this medicine, it is happening that we need thinking, and this medicine relax our mind so much that our heart does not do anything. And from the other side, it also affects that it makes us more excited. Keep increasing the dose of the chemicals that is going in. You will get so excited that you will not even be conscious of what you are doing. You will be overjoyed. Once you think, whenever you are overly happy in your past, then something good has happened to you or something bad has happened to you. This means that excessive excitement is also bad and being relaxed is also bad. Now, who will decide how much is needed? Is there any doctor or any medicine for you? You should know this yourself. The brain should be such that is neither dull or excited in a normal stage. So what is the problem that people get excitement due to medicine? The patient gets attached to it. So when there is a normal stage for them, they will not feel good in it. So what is his permanent solutions? We have to think about that. So we have to think what is a good source of energy to run our body. We should also have some basic knowledge about diet. What is the right source of energy of our body? Source of energy is not just food. That is just one aspect source of energy. Earth, water, air, fire, sky are 5 types of source of energy. What happens with source of energy? If the source of energy goes right in our body, then we do not need medicine. If you take the right kind of food for your body, then food is medicine without any side effects. You consider need additional medicine. If you fix the food itself, then the first food is earth. Then what is related to earth food? Vegetables, etc. Second is water. Even if there is a lack of water in our body, we will start feeling bad. Third is fire, meaning that if you are locked in a dark room, then the normal person will also go into a depression. And if you are left in the open light, what will happen after a week? Fourth is air. We should consume clean air. Fifth is sky. If you are locked in a small room, you will like it there or in an open environment. Now think to yourself whether space is also a source of energy or not. How much attention we have on it, or meditation is only on our thoughts. If there is any problem in this, then how do we fix it? We do not have any attention towards these 5 sources of energy. If we take care of these 5 sources of energy in our life properly, then our mental and physical level will be balanced. If we are in depression and we have to eat the medicine of depression, then before that we should go into an environment where we can get these 5 sources of energy in good quantity, such as good food, clean air, clean water, good sunlight, intake and open environment. Often our body also needs service, like if we get our car or our machinery service done, then in this way the machinery of our body will also be fine. What is the meaning of physically fine and what is the meaning of bad disease? In this, it means hidden disease when you not at ease. That is disease. Whatever you are doing wrong, stop making those mistakes at the level of source of energy. The body will automatically become at ease. Once you are at ease, your mind will also become clear and you will be able to take a good decision on how important these 5 forces of energy play in our lives and how to incorporate them into our lives forever, so that we are physically and mentally stay strong or fit, so that you can stay away from disease like depression.